Hello children, this is Kosalai from Brainy Bloom's School International Senior Secondary CBSE School. Today you are going to learn about multiplications of fractions. Okay children, you might have learned about addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions in your lower classes. Now we are going to learn about the multiplications of fractions. So let us recall about the multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but a multiple addition. We can say it as a multiple addition or it is a repeated addition. Okay, suppose let us take an example of 2 into 3. It is 2 times of 3, right? 2 into 3 is 2 times of 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, in normal multiplication table we can say it as 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So let us take one more example. 3 into 4. It is 3 times of 4, right? 3 times of 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So in tables we say it as 3 4s are 12. Okay, so actual meaning of multiplication is nothing but it is multiple addition, or we can say it as a repeated addition. So this was in case of both the numbers are whole numbers. Now we will apply the same concept in fraction also. So let us see how to solve the multiplication problems in fraction. So I have taken an example of 2 by 3 into 4. Okay, it means 2 by 3 is a fraction. In terms of 4 times, it is 4 times 2 by 3. Now I am representing it, the 2 by 3, in terms of diagram you can see here. So a circle I have divided into 3 parts, 2 by 3. So you can see divided in 3 parts and I have shaded 2 parts, means it is 2 by 3. Since it is 2 by 3 into 4, you see there 2 by 3 into 4. So we have to represent this 2 by 3 4 times. It is 4 times of 2 by 3. So we have to represent 3 more diagrams like this I have shown. So totally you are having 4 2 by 3s. Now let us see how to represent this 2 by 3 into 4. So we have shaded 2 portions. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So you can see here 8 portions are shaded. So it is 8 by 3. Okay, now I believe you are coming little about to understand, I think so. So this 2 by 3 into 4 times it is 2 by 3 into 4 times it is 8 by 3. You can see that 4 is the whole number and the fraction 2 by 3, only the numerator 2 is multiplied with 4. So 2 into 4 is 8 and you have to represent the denominator as such. It is 8 by 3. Only the numerator you should multiply. Okay, the whole number you should multiply only with the numerator. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 divided by 3 you have to represent the denominator as such. This is in case of improper fraction. Suppose if they asked in terms of mixed fraction, how you will write? So it is 3 na 2 3s are 6, remainder 2 is there. So 2 by 3. You know this, how to convert improper into mixed. Try it. Okay, so 2 times of 3, so 2, remainder 2 will be there. 2 by 3 in terms of mixed fraction. Improper fraction, it is 8 by 3. Okay children, so far we have learnt about the basics of multiplications of fractions, and now we are going to see how to solve the problems based on multiplications of fraction. Okay, as I said already, you are going to multiply the whole number only with the numerator, not with the denominator. You are going to multiply the number with only the numerator of the fraction. So 3 into 1 divided by 2. So how we are writing this? 3 into 1 divided by 2. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 by 2. You find it easy, right? Okay. Next example, 2 into 5 by 3. You are going to multiply this whole number 2 only with 5, only with the numerator. Okay, so 2 into 5, what is in the denominator? 3. So 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 divided by 3. Okay, let us take one more example. See, you can see this is a mixed fraction. Okay, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and then try to multiply the fraction. Okay, so 3 into, how we will convert this mixed into improper? 7 into 2 plus 5, right? 7 into 2 plus 5. What is 7 into 2? 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 divided by denominator we are having 7. Okay, now you are going to multiply this whole number only with the numerator. So 3 into 19 divided by 7. What is 3 into 19? You can multiply 3 into 19, 19 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 2 carry 3, 4, 5, 57. So 57 divided by 7. Okay, we can leave this as such as improper fraction, or we can else convert this into improper. You know how to convert, right? How we will convert this into improper? 57 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49, 8 sevens are 56. Remainder 1. So how we will write? 8 1 by 7, right? 8 1 by 7. So either if they ask the problem in improper fraction, they ask the answer in improper, you can stop by this. If they ask the answer in mixed fraction, you have to do this step also. You have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction and then solve the problem. Understood, children? It is very easy. If they ask it to stop by improper fraction, you can stop it here. Or else if they ask for mixed fraction in answer in mixed fraction, you have to convert this improper into mixed fraction and then solve the problem. Next problem, 15 into 3 by 5. As I said, multiply 15 into 3. 15 into 3 by 5, right? Okay, what is 15 into 3? 5 3s are 15, 3, 4, 45, right? 45 by 5. You can also cancel the problem and write it, okay? And you can simplify. You can simplify the answer. 1 5 is 5, 9 5s are 45. So what is the answer now? 9. Okay, let us take one more example. 1 by 2 of 24, 1 by 2 of 46. You have two problems here, 1 by 2 of 24 and 1 by 2 of 46. What is this of? Of is nothing but it is multiplication. Okay, instead of straightly giving it as multiplication, we have introduced of. Of is also means it is multiplication. So we can write it as 1 by 2 of 24 means 1 by 2 into 24. Understood? So 1 into 24 is 24 divided by 2. Okay, cancel now. I mean simplify it. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So your answer is 12 for the first problem. So this one is over. Next we take 46. 1 by 2 of 46. What is 1 by 2 of? Of means multiply of 46. So 1 into 46 is 46 divided by 2. So now simplify. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. So your answer is 23. Hope you have understood. Next, one more problem. It is in mixed fraction. Okay, convert this into first convert this into improper. So we have to multiply here and we have to add here. You know already. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 divided by 3. So multiply this whole number only with the numerator. So 14 into 9 divided by 3. What is 14? I mean no, 19 into 4. What is 19 into 4? 19 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 4 5 6 7. So 76 divided by 3. This is an improper fraction. If you want, you can convert this into mixed fraction. So we will convert 76 divided by 3. 3 table, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry 6, 5 3s are 15, so 1. So what is the answer? 25, 1 by 3. Okay. So this is an improper, we have converted this improper answer into mixed answer. Understood, children? Okay. Last sum. 1 by 2. What is of? Of means it is multiply. So convert this mixed into improper. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4. Okay. Now 1 into 11. 1 into 11 is 11. 4 into 2 is 8. Like this problem, you have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator in case of multiplication of fraction. So 1 into 11 is 11. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Now we can convert this into mixed fraction. 1 8 is 8. 9, 10, 11, 3. So what is the answer now? 1, 3 by 8. Okay. Hope you have understood, children. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Feel free to ask. Okay.
Try to solve the problems given in the worksheet. Based on these problems, go through the problem very well, and try to solve the problems in the worksheet, as well as create your own problems and try to solve the problems. Okay children, thank you so much.